Well, about 4 days ago, I ordered an expansion chamber for my Skyhawk 66cc motorized bicycle, and today I got it. And these are all the parts. Got all the springs and everything in here. And this is the main exhaust pipe. I'm hoping it'll make my bike go a little bit faster, so we'll see. And I'll update you once it is installed, and I'll make a test run. Alright, so I finished installing the expansion chamber exhaust. Looks pretty good. The only bad side about it is I had to take off my kickstand that was like right over here because the pipe got in the way, but I'll be getting another kickstand that goes right here. But it increased my speed. I used to only get about, let's say, 23 miles per hour. Now I can go easily 27, 28. So I'll be doing a test drive. And also I put this little foam thing around here so the gas doesn't splash out. So take her out for a test drive.
I got my bike started. You can hear it sounds a lot like a dirt bike now. It's pretty nice. Got a nice throttle response.